हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो आज की वीडियो में हम एसएससी जीके जीएस के टॉप 40 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स गो थ्रू करने वाले हैं। सो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर इज द होम फॉर फ्रेश वाटर डॉल्फिन्स? And the correct answer is Ganga. Second question, dairy comes under which sector of economic activity? And the correct answer is primary sector. Third question, which of the following ministries is responsible for the report on India's national and per capita income? And the correct answer is Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Fourth question, which among the following cities of Madhya Pradesh is located on the banks of Shipra River? And the correct answer is Ujjain. Fifth question, disguised unemployment exists primarily in the dash sector in our country. And the correct answer is defense. Sixth question, which of the following is a method to measure the national income? And the correct answer is all of the above, that is income method, product method and expenditure method. Seventh question, who is the first person to start the individual satyagrah? And the correct answer is Vinoba Bhave. Eighth question, the main difference between GDP and GNP? And the correct answer is net foreign income from abroad. Ninth question, who estimated the national income for the first time in India? And the correct answer is Dada Bhai Naroji. 10th question, the oldest high court of India is? And the correct answer is Calcutta High Court. 11th question, Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following Indian states? And the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. 12th question, Green Revolution is related to? And the correct answer is food production. 13th question, which of the following is the oldest stock exchange in India? And the correct answer is BSE. 14th question, the best indicator of economic development of any country is? And the correct answer is its gross production. 15th question, the system wherein trade can be carried out through the exchange of goods and services is called the? And the answer is barter system. 16th question, how many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? And the correct answer is 12 members. 17th question, which of the following is function of money? And the correct answer is all of the above, that is measure of value, store of value and medium of exchange. 18th question, which of the following river originates as well as ends in the territory of India? And the correct answer is Chambal. 19th question, who presides over the meetings of Rajya Sabha? And the correct answer is Vice President. 20th question, India is the largest producer and consumer of? And the correct answer is tea. 21st question, in which state the Khajuraho Dance Festival has been organized? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. 22nd question, Pushkar Camel Fair 2022 is organized in which state? And the correct answer is Rajasthan. 23rd question. Which of the following recipients of the Bharat Ratna was not a Prime Minister of India? And the correct answer is G.B. Pant. 24th question. Who was the only person who was awarded both Bharat Ratna and Pakistan's highest civilian honor, Nishan-e-Pakistan? And the correct answer is Morarji Desai. 25th question. Under which constitutional article is Bharat Ratna instituted? And the correct answer is not under any specific article. 26th question. How many women have received Bharat Ratna till 2023? And the correct answer is 6 women. 27th question. Who was the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? And the correct answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 28th question. Who was the first scientist to receive Bharat Ratna? And the correct answer is C.V. Raman. 29th question. Who was the first sportsman to receive Bharat Ratna? And the correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. 30th question. Who was the first economist to receive Bharat Ratna? And the correct answer is Amartya Sen. 31st question. When are Padma Awards announced? And the correct answer is 26 January. 32nd question. In which year did online nomination for Padma Award start? And the correct answer is 2017. 33rd question. Who was the first film actor to receive Padma Shri? And the correct answer is Dilip Kumar. 34th question. When were the Padma Awards instituted by the Government of India? And the correct answer is 1954. 35th question. Which former Prime Minister of India who was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1991 was also known as the father of Indian economic reforms? And the correct answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. 36th question. Which Padma Vibhushan recipient, a classical vocalist, famously refused the award in 2022, stating it came too late? And the correct answer is Sandhya Mukherjee. 37th question. Which of the following foreigners who received the Padma Bhushan was the CEO of a multinational technology corporation? And the correct answer is Sundar Pichai. 38th question. Which of the following recipients of the Padma Awards was the former president of the World Bank? And the correct answer is Kaushik Vasu. 39th question. Which folk dance belongs to Maharashtra? And the correct answer is Koli. And the last 40th question. Which is the highest populated district in India? And the correct answer is Thane.